Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 450. We expected copper to stay in selling, maintaining 456 as resistance. Right after the opening, the price tried to move above 452, and finally it came down below 450 and continued its selling to reach 444.3 and close near 446. Today it's expected to open somewhere within 448 and 447 based on COMEX price direction. We are predicting the price opening. So what we can do today? As a follower, you know that right from the beginning of this contract, from 462, we are selling the copper contracts, and we had made some decent profit. What we feel is we need to go for selling till 456 by placing stop loss near 457. Again, it's a 10-point stop loss range. So wait for the price to give a bounce back near 452, and then you can go for selling so that your stop loss will be very minimum. So the next expected target zone is 442. That's going to be the next target for this market. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.